Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Christina Montemayor. My Islam name is Alia. I'm from Philippines. I've been a convert Islam 9 months. One day, when I come Bahrain 2012, I saw people wearing abaya, wearing hijab. I told myself I'm so impressed because I saw like looking nice and cover, and then you protect yourself. So I told myself I want to be one day also. I want to cover myself. I want to wearing hijab. So they will respect. We have respect. So I'm really, really impressed. And then when I'm talking my father, mother, they told me, "Oh, you're looking nice. You're wearing like that." I want to be like that. My father told me. I cannot tell for the first time why I'm wearing like this. And then you're looking happy now yourself. In 27 years, I never look you are happy. I told to my father, my father, I like to wearing for the first time I come in Bahrain, I would like to wearing this. I'm very, very want to wearing. And then my father told me every day, why you wearing? I like. Yeah, you're looking happy now. I said, yeah, I'm happy. And then one day, when I telling my father, again, I talking with him, Father, I want to tell you something, but you don't be angry with me. My father told me, why I'm angry with you? Tell me, Father, I convert as a Muslim. Why you scared? Why you not telling me from before? It's up to you. You are not a baby. You know what is good for you. You are 27 years single mother. You do everything for your son until he graduate. Now he's married, like that. So we are only one God. Even we are Christian, you are Muslim now. It's only one God. I said, oh, thank you, Alhamdulillah. I'm so happy. I never, I expect na my father, my family, they will telling me, why? I could, I'm for myself, one day I will, maybe my father will be angry with me, my sister, but they will accept me. They support me. Whatever I want, they support me. Really, I'm so happy. And even my madam, for the first time, they telling me, you want to be Muslim because every year you are fasting. You're doing fasting. For 30 days, you're doing fasting. I said, yeah, madam, I want. Can you bring me to how to become a Muslim? Okay, sure. So that time, second day of Ramadan, they bring me in the masjid like that. They told me to come, and then they told me, you need to go in the Islamic center so you can learn, and then you can make a shahada. So I go from shahada that time. The first time I go in shahada, I'm so happy, really. Wala. In my life, I never been expecting this. So really, I cannot express, I cannot tell anything, but I'm so lucky that time. Really, I really appreciate. Even my past is not good. Now, wala. I'm so happy. Even I'm alone, single mother. I never telling God, why you give like this for me? Why me? All my brother, sister, they are happy family. 3 children. I'm the big one, but yani me, I'm the big one. My life is like this. So I accept because this is the purpose of God for me, or Allah giving this life for me. So I need to accept everything what I have now. I need to accept. Even my life from before is not happy. I need to be accept. I'm really happy. So thanks God, Alhamdulillah. So some of my friends, they leave me. Some of my friends, they skip me, and then they not talking me now properly. So I accept that. Whatever Allah give for me, or what challenge, I will need to accept. I need to be strong, whatever. I took so long because I want to clear on myself if really yani I need to accept, or because I'm scared about what telling my family, because I've been inborn as a Christian. So why yani now I want to decide like this? So I'm scared. But at that time, after I telling to myself, no, why I need to be scared? Whatever I decision, I will do it. Even they are angry with me, I need to accept. But only in my heart, I keep it. I need to move now. I want to be to do whatever I want. This is myself. Nobody we can telling me and discuss me. Don't do that. Don't do this. So that's time I decide. In my mind, it's clear. I need to accept Allah in my life because I want to change everything. I want to so many things in my mind not happen good. So that's this time, Alhamdulillah, Allah protect me. Allah always behind me. Even sometimes I'm so many work, but I do my work slowly, nicely. And then Alhamdulillah also, my madam I'm not giving problem for them. So my son from the beginning, like he knows because he's very brave also, no? So when he's telling me, and my granddaughter told me, Baba, why my grandmother is wearing like that? From the beginning, they scared me because no, it wearing my son. Maybe your grandmother's changed religion. That's when I'm telling to my son, I change like Islam. My son to support me. He told me, okay, mama, whatever you want, you do, mama, because you doing well for me. From 27 years, you are alone. You work hard, and you give me a good education and nice life. So why I'm not give you a support? Of course, I'm always be with you, and I thanks God also. You are my mother because you support me everything. You give me everything. Even now, I have own family. You is still with us, and then you support me every month for financial everything. You still support us. I said this is my responsibility. Even I'm single mother, I do work for you, and I do work for my mother also. My father, I support for medicine every month. So everything I will do. Money, it's okay. Money is we need, but it doesn't matter because you cannot bring money in the heaven. So I told my son, until I'm strong, until I'm alive, I will support you. I will keep you here because I've been work a single mother for 27 years. I holding in my hand my son, and only behind me my mother, my sister, my father. My father also working hard work and support me that time. Even so many challenge in my life, I accept that. I want to tell to everyone, don't be scared, okay? What yani in your mind, what yani ever you want to decision, this is yourself. Like me, before a long time, I thinking I want to be Muslim, I want to be like that. But I'm thinking when I reach the time I want to change. Quickly also I accept. So I want to give advice to other people. Okay, I cannot force people to encourage. Okay, but if you accept Allah, you will get peace of mind. Whatever you want to do in proper way. You never thinking, and then you will be scared to do wrong to anyone because Allah will looking you. Whatever you do, even some people they doesn't see whatever you do, but Allah everywhere we can see us. I prove, like me, I'm happy. I have peace of mind, even so many challenges in my life, but Allah with me. I never yani thinking again I need to be married. I need someone with me. No. I have only now my family, my son, my grandchildren, and now I have now Allah with me to protect me everything, to protect me and give me strength for every I doing my work. So I give to Allah everything in my life. So I'm really, really happy in my life now.
Dawah to non-Muslims should be rooted in kindness and sincerity. When we approach others with a soft heart and respectful words, they feel comfortable and valued. This gentle attitude can break barriers and allow meaningful conversations to begin naturally. Islam is often understood through the behavior of Muslims. Showing patience, honesty, and care in everyday life reflects the true spirit of the faith. When people experience this, they may become curious about Islam without being told anything directly. Good dawah also means listening. When we listen to others' thoughts and beliefs without judging them, trust grows. Through calm and thoughtful responses, we can share the message of Islam in a way that feels welcoming rather than forced. Even a small act of kindness can leave a lasting impression. You may not see immediate results, but Allah guides hearts in His own time. Your good character today could be the reason someone becomes interested in Islam tomorrow.
Gaza's winter is freezing families. Your donation can save a life. Donate now at www.fundraiser.com/theyneedyou. Link in the description or scan the QR to donate.